2013 Leaf Best of Baseball. Good luck. Single boxer. Holiday pack for get randomed off between whoever goes hitless out of the spots. If it's a baseball card, it'll go to whatever team it should go to. Just in case, if we get any like old school cards that have like multiple players on them, it goes off of, if it's graded, it goes off of the grading. If it only has one name on the grading, that's who the card will go to. As usual, here's our teams. Team rundown here. You can kind of see it over there. There we go. Alright, good luck. Thanks again for joining. This will be a quickie. Single box, the best of. Grabber knife, it's a Smith & Wesson actually. I finally cut myself with it the other night. After almost 2 years, finally cut myself, and it was opening a box of bubble mailers. Alright, best of. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. First up, we have an auto. Our auto is going to be Jim Palmer. Jim Palmer auto. Not focusing too well. There we go. Jim Palmer. And that's the Orioles. Who's got the Orioles? That's going to be X1 Say. Alright, there's the biggie. Good luck. Which way are we going? Looks like it's going to the Mariners. A-Rod rookie, looks like. 94 SP, mint 9. Non-auto. Premier prospect, A-Rod. Oof. Into the Mariners, which was, who are the Mariners? 1-1 with the Mariners. It's from 94 SP. Yeah, after premium collection, this doesn't. This looks pretty bad, man. Should have got a case of that to crack. Actually wanted, but they're gonna be sold out. All right, holiday bonus pack. Last one left. Good luck. And this is going to go to the random. We got a football card. It's Carlos Watkins, U.S. Army Bull. Carlos Watkins. That was a bad box. Alright, Carlos Watkins to be randomed between BF, Chew, Hitless Wonder, and T-Cub. Let's just run that now. It's going to go 9 times. That was what we had from the team draw. Actually, that was 3 times for the best of team draw. 3 times. 9 was gold standard, sorry. Alright, 3 times. Top one gets Carlos Watkins auto. Good luck. 1, 2, third and final. Carlos Watkins will go to T-Cub 10. 3 times. Alright, that was a break. Quick one. Thanks again, guys.